Borescopic inspection in gas engine. How to carry out a borescopic inspection in a gas engine? First of all, we need to think about which is the reason to carry out a borescopic inspection. The main reason is because we want to decide when is the perfect moment to do something inside of the engine, when it's the moment to change the alternative element like cylinder, like piston, etc. And we need to decide if we want to follow the manufacturer recommendation or we want to check which is the condition of the different internal element in order to decide if it's the moment to change or not. Then the tool that we will use is a borescopic camera. This is a camera, endoscopic camera. It's a camera that we introduce inside of the cylinder and we check which is the condition of the jacket, which is the condition of the piston, and which is the condition of the cylinder head. There are different types of the borescopic camera. We have rigid cameras, we have semi-rigid cameras, and we have flexible proofs. But of course we have cheap cameras and we have expensive cameras. This, I understand that this distinction is not very hard, but it's enough to understand that there are different qualities in cameras and we need to use at least a not bad camera. Means that if the camera is very good, the quality of the image is very good. Then we can understand better which is the condition of the engine if we use a very good camera than if we use a very cheap camera. But even considering that a good camera, an expensive camera is better than a cheap camera, remember that in this moment we have in the market some cheap cameras very good. An expensive camera costs around 10,000 euros or more. But in this moment we have in the market to do this type of borescopic inspection in a gas engine, we have some cameras around 500 euros or $500 that are very interesting and are has enough quality to carry out a borescopic inspection. We need to use a procedure. In this procedure, we need to understand what is necessary to do before the inspection, during the inspection, and after the inspection to normalize the condition of the engine. Before the inspection, we need to stop the machine, maintain the machine stopped during at least 4, 5, 6 hours, and in this time we need that the temperature, the internal temperature of the motor reduce around 40 degrees or something something near 40. Yes, it is because when we introduce the camera, if inside of the cylinder the temperature is very high, we can damage the camera. Then 5 hours or more before the inspection, we need to stop the machine and maintain the machine as cold as possible. And after, we need to prepare the different tools. In case of a Siemens Wascor engine, we need two different tools to dismount the spark and one tool to turn the crankshaft. Once we have dismounted all the spark of one row, we need to introduce one by one the camera. It is important to check that the piston must be situated in the bottom part of the cylinder. Then we have a complete image of the piston and all the jacket. If the piston is in the upper part of the cylinder, it is not able to do the inspection. It is necessary to turn the crankshaft till the piston was in the bottom part. For that reason, we go to the cylinder number 1. In the cylinder number 1, we turn till the piston was in the bottom side, and we do the complete inspection, inspecting the piston, inspecting the jacket, inspecting the cylinder head, the valves of the cylinder head. And after that, we go to the next one. If the next one, the second, is in the top part, we move to the third, fourth, etc. and do in a first try the piston that was in the lower part. After, we turn the crankshaft and we see which one are in the bottom part. And we repeat the process till the moment that we finish the first row. After we change the side of the motor and we repeat all the process till we have all the cylinder inspected. After that, normally what I do is a visual inspection of the engine. We see that there is no leakage, oil leakage or water leakage, that there is no symptom of degradation, symptom of corrosion. We check integrity, means that there are no elements dismounted or with bad fixation, etc. We check the puncture, we check the isolation, and after that is the moment to normalize the engine. To normalize the engine, it is necessary to mount again all the elements that we have dismounted. That means that it is necessary to introduce again all the spark and connect the spark with the coil and check if everything is well connected. We take out of the tools, we check a final inspection to check that everything is mounted and every element is normalized, and we check if the engine is able to start again or not. Of course, the last part of our inspection is to prepare the report. The report, remember, is the most important, is the thing that are looking for our customer. Our customer want to check, to reflect all our findings in a report, to check if all the cylinders are okay, and we need to do a qualification of every damage, every little finding that we have found in the engine. And this is how we carried out a borescopic inspection in a gas engine. Of course, if you want to do the best possible maintenance in a gas engine, it's better that you decide the frequency of the different tasks that you need to carry out according with the result of the visual inspection, according with the result of the borescopic inspection, according with the result of the oil analysis, and according with the result of thermographic inspection and ultrasonic inspection. If all the inspection reflect that the engine is in good condition, you don't need to do nothing more. If any one of these techniques reflect, show you that there is any things that is necessary to solve, please solve it. Don't follow the manufacturer recommendation. Follow the result of your inspection.